Direct replacement. This tailgate support cable fits specific vehicles to preserve tailgate stability. Durable construction. This part is made of quality materials for a long service life. Saves money. Offers quality at a competitive price while preventing tailgate damage. Quality assured. This tailgate support cable has undergone virtual testing for fit, function and durability over time. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This tailgate support cable matches the fit and function of the original cables on specific vehicles. Made of quality materials, this durable cable is engineered to stabilize the tailgate over the long haul. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. The order said that these cables would fit my 2002 Dodge Ram 3500, but they are too long. I was disappointed that the tailgate cables were too long even though the description said they would fit. I should have known to measure mine.